Did you know that pure coconut oil can not only make your meals tastier but also boost your health in numerous ways? From heart health improvement, weight loss benefits, to better skin and hair. Now imagine being able to make this superfood right in your own kitchen. The first step in making pure coconut oil is, of course, getting your coconuts. Opt for mature coconuts. They're the best for oil extraction. You can find these at local markets or grocery stores. Check for a rich brown husk and a sound of water when shaken. Once you have your coconuts, you're ready to start the oil-making process. The next step is to extract the coconut milk from your coconuts. Start by cracking open those beauties. Scoop out the white meat and blend it with a bit of water. This will yield a creamy, luscious coconut milk. Once you have your coconut milk, you're halfway there. Now comes the exciting part, turning your coconut milk into oil. Begin by pouring the coconut milk into a large pot. Apply moderate heat and let it simmer gently. This process could take around 2 to 3 hours, so patience is key. As the milk heats, the water will slowly evaporate, leaving behind the oil. You'll know it's done when the remaining liquid is clear, with a layer of oil floating on top. And just like that, you've made your very own coconut oil. Congratulations! You now have a jar of pure homemade coconut oil. This golden elixir is versatile, perfect for whipping up a tropical dish, moisturizing your skin, or even conditioning your hair. So why not give it a try? With a little time and effort, you can reap the benefits of this incredible superfood. We hope you've enjoyed this journey into the world of homemade coconut oil. Remember, making your own oil means pure goodness, no additives. It's a rewarding process, worth a try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more DIY tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.